now we're going to talk about a couple more applications, mainly one more, but two or more vectors that have a sum that ends up becoming a vector. They're called components. So if we have vector x and vector y, that component, that resultant is r. So it's often useful to express or resolve a vector into two perpendicular components, so one horizontal and one vertical. So for example, in this piece, you have R, which is the force exerted to pull the wagon. That's the sum of the horizontal component X and the vertical component Y. So we are going to get into solving that. If you see it makes a right triangle, we'll be able to use trig functions to work on that. All right, so you don't necessarily need to write this down. I think the next example is going to take care of understanding more pieces to it.